Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 5.1. Question number 1. Graph the solution set of each of the following inequalities in xy plane. The given inequality is 3x plus 7y is greater than equal to 21. So we start the solution. We simply write this inequality 3x plus 7y is greater than equal to 21, and we name it as 1 for further reference. Now, step number 1, we are going to take its corresponding equation. Corresponding equation for this inequality. What we are going to do, we are going to simply convert this inequality into an equation just by changing the inequality sign by equals to sign. So this is the corresponding equation for this particular inequality. What is the next step? We are going to find the x-intercept and y-intercept for this particular equation. That is, we are going to find the value of y when x is 0 and the value of x when y is 0. So in this particular inequality, when you put x equals to 0, you are left with 7y equals to 21. You can do it verbally. When x is 0, what will happen? Y will be equal to 3. So the point becomes 0, 3. Now put y equals to 0. When y is 0, x becomes 3x equals to 21 and x becomes 7. You can do all these calculations verbally. These are quite simple calculations. So this is what we get. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3, we get a small table of these values. And when y is equals to 0, x is equal to 7. You may make it in the shape of a table. And then what is our next step? Next step is the reference point. We are going to use origin as the reference point. Reference point, and our reference point will be origin. So what we are going to do, we are simply going to put 0, 0 in this inequality number 1. In 1, put x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. These are the coordinates of origin. So put 0, 0 in it. What you will get? 3 into 0 plus 7 into 0. That gives me simply 0. It is greater than equal to 21. You better do all these calculations verbally because these are very simple calculations. Now decide about this thing. Is this inequality a true sentence or a false sentence? I think it is quite obvious. It is a false sentence because 0 is not greater than 21. 0 is in fact less than 21. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a big false here. And this is my conclusion. What will be the result drawn from this? We get the result that origin does not lie in the solution region of 1. That is, this origin, it does not satisfy this inequality. So now we can go for this is all what you have to do in the calculations. And now we go for the graph paper. You can see I have made x-axis and y-axis here. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. And when you will draw it on the graph paper, you better use the scale on both the axes. You better take 5 small square equal to 1. And I have marked all these here. And now I'm going to plot my line. What will be this line? You can see one point is 0, 3. X is 0, y equals to 3. X is 0, y equals to 3. This becomes my first point. And then X equals to 7, y equals to 0. X equals to 7, y equals to 0. This becomes the second point. And now take your ruler and join these 2 points with the help of a straight line, and you will get this thing. Now put arrowheads on it and write the equation on it. 3x plus 7y equals to 21. Now this is the line represented by this equation. Now we will draw the solution region. Come to this sentence, origin does not lie in the solution region. Now you can see that this line is dividing the whole plane into 2 regions. One here and the other here. You can see origin lies in this region. What is our conclusion? Origin does not lie in the solution region. It means the solution region is the other one. So I'm going to mark my solution region. You may mark it with the help of an arrow, or you may put some shades on it. I'm going to put some yellow shade on it. Here it is. So you can, this is a blue shade, so it's okay. So here it is. This is our solution region. And that completes the solution. Now I'm going to show you what will be the shape of your answer when of your graph when you draw it on the graph paper.